I'm often asked what changes have occurred in the field of infertility since I started working in this area. Years ago, when we started doing IVF, we transferred embryos after 2 days of growth in the laboratory. A few years later, we went to letting them develop for 3 days, and we were able to pick the better embryos by letting them grow longer in the laboratory. And then more recently, we often let embryos grow for 5 or 6 days in the laboratory to the blastocyst stage. And this helps to select a better embryo. Other changes that have occurred are the development of the technology of ICSI, where we take a single sperm and inject it into an egg. In the early days of IVF, before we had ICSI, men who had very low sperm counts were not able to father a pregnancy even with IVF. Other changes have included pre-implantation genetic screening, where we can take a single cell for an embryo and do genetic analysis to select a genetically normal embryo, as well as egg freezing. That's another great change in recent years, and we can freeze eggs for the future successfully.